Good pussy, good whiskey, now let's hit my show. Lipstick all across my neck, like she slit my throat. Hickeys all across her neck, never met before. Does that make her my girl? I guess I never know. The day I lost her, I lost my whole soul. I lost my mojo, now my heart is froze. She made me feel young, but that shit got old. I seclude myself so I could be alone. And I don't know what's real or not, they putting on a show. I can't relate to what you talk about, I talk to crows. Social distance on these bitches, yeah, since 1992. Try to hang me out to dry and end up on a noose.
Why they talking on you, daddy? Better let them know. You the freshest and so sick.
Bitch, I been dripping soap. I keep the Lipton close for all these thirsty hoes. Marijuana diet, I just might overdose.
Keep that pimp ass strong. Keep your pimp ass strong. Keep that pimp ass strong. Keep your pimp ass strong. Keep that pimp ass strong. Keep your pimp ass strong. Keep that pimp ass strong. Keep your pimp ass strong.
How good are you? How good? Hey, how good are you? Catch. Alright, you're good.
He's good.